You doing, everyone? Just a quick mention about this motherboard. The motherboard is the B460M Pro 4AC, the ASRock Pro Series. It's a nice motherboard, I think. I just noticed a few things that will be a problem for some of you out there. It's not necessarily a problem for me, but it could present a problem for some of you. As you can see, here's the schematics of the motherboard, okay? Motherboard layout. Right there are the two SATA ports, okay? I don't know if I could get any closer. There we go. Right there are two SATA ports. Well, there are also SATA ports as well. There's 4. So you got 2 and 4. There's a total of 6 SATA ports. That means you could have 6 drives connected to the system, which isn't bad. The problem is, because this system here is it's got a pretty big size graphics card, right? It's got a pretty good size graphics card. Nice graphics card, I'm gonna say. I'm not disappointed with it at all. But nevertheless, that card, if you can kind of see right there behind this big graphics card, right down there, right between those 2 lights that are pulsing, green, then blue, then pink, then red, then orange, and green and blue. Right in between that, behind that graphics card, are the other 4 ports right there. Those 4 SATA ports. So you can't access those ports because the graphics card is so big, you cannot access those ports. So either A, you would need to remove the graphics card to put in a 90-degree angle SATA card connector, the wire, like the red one there or the black one below it, and hope that there's enough clearance to put the graphics card back in, or you just can't use those extra ports, and that means you'll be doomed to be using USB on the back. So you got a couple of USB ports here, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, USB 3.0, and then standard USB 1.0, maybe even 2.0, but that's for the mouse and the keyboard. And then, of course, you got 1 USB here, and then you also have USB 2.0 there. So 1 3.0 right there, and then 2 2.0s right there. So that, like I said, that might be a problem for you, for those of you who are wanting to get a larger storage system out of this. Okay, you're gonna have to choose a better motherboard layout. Okay, so there you go. That's could be an issue for some of you. All right, bye.